Today we'll talk about how can you disable email notifications on your Remit app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Remit app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign here, click on it. So when you just click on it here, sorry. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on notifications, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. You come here to email notifications, just clicking this sign here. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you click here on turn off notifications. When you just click on it, then it's going to turn off here your email notifications on your Remit app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.